Hello everyone, how to flip video in Clipchamp. So let's start. First, open your Clipchamp and click on to create a new video and wait for the few seconds to open here. And go to the left hand side, click on the import media option. And here I select my video and click on open and wait for it. Here the video is imported. Then drag and drop the media here in your timeline. Now I just play this video and see here the video. Now I stop. Now I select the video. And when you select the video, you can see the video preview also selected. Okay. On top side here, the three dot more option. Click on this three dot and here the third option flip. In flip, flip horizontal and flip vertical. When I click on the flip horizontal and see here the changes in video. Now again I play this video. You can see an horizontal flip. Again, I select this video and click on this three dot more option. Now I click on the flip vertical and see the changes over here. Video is vertically flip. Okay, I stop this. With this, when I click on the video, here you can see the crop option also here available. You can crop your video and in three dot, you can rotate by 90 degrees also. Okay, so these are the some option available in Clipchamp in video editing. Okay, so after all the editing is done, just go to the right hand side and click on the export and here type your file name. And if you don't want to save in cloud, just turn off this option and after that click on the export and that's it. This is the way you can flip video and Clipchamp. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you.